And we are the Fluffies.
Yes, I'm Eric.
I'm Christian. What are you doing 9 p.m. at night? What are you doing here?
I don't know.
Yeah. We are with our friends.
Hi.
So we're gonna... What are you doing here? I forgot.
So basically they just opened up an extension to the subway line. So they just opened up 6 new stations, and we are going to check out the new stations.
Yeah, tourism.
Yes.
Free tourism, because today is free.
Yes.
So we're waiting the platform,
Yes, we're at the platform.
and usually in the past this station here was the last one on the line.
Yeah. It used to be called Downsview, and then they changed it to Shepherd West.
Yes, and then also the first time the subway in Toronto goes to another city.
Yes, the city of Vaughan.
So you're going north.
Going to walk.
You're going out of
we are.
Toronto. So now you are at the second station.
Yes. We are at Finch West Station.
Yes. The difference this time, the train came, stopped it, the train going back south.
Yeah, it's going southbound now.
Yeah, so we're gonna wait for the next one, other side. This station reminded me a lot of some stations in Budapest. It's kind of layout,
Yes.
and the escalator. Also reminds me, yeah, I guess. See? Yeah, she's here too. One of the reasons why they made the subway extension also for the university.
Yes.
So now,
students can come to university much quicker.
and they have a Portuguese studies here upstairs.
Yes.
They have Portuguese.
Nobody show up in the video. Oh, he show up. Yes.
I didn't know. I thought only U of T had
No,
Portuguese.
there is Portuguese studies, the courses, and they have programs.
They
and-
have a major in Portuguese
Yes.
at York University. Yes. I like that.
And then you can take the subway there.
Yes. See? I never took so many subway lines in Toronto like today.
Yes.
So many stations.
Yeah.
He's actually visiting from Kitchener.
Former Berlin.
Yeah.
It should be Berlin. I know. They're so
But-
embarrassed that they changed it for Kitchener.
But at the same time, I come all the time to Toronto, so I'm practically a Torontonian myself.
Yes. And now you go to Vaughan, you're gonna go outside Toronto. Ooh.
Yes. Wow. Here we are at Pioneer Village, and there's an art installation by a Berlin artist. And basically the concept is you can enter your name or whatever you want, and it will appear on there. And we are going to go upstairs and see the outside.
So this time we came outside of Pioneer Village Station.
Yes, it's Pioneer Village Station.
I can't show much now because it's dark and I had to walk far, and you can see all the snow. It's kind of cold, so it's not good.
Yeah.
Kind of empty around here.
But the art installation has an interesting story behind it.
Yes, the one you showed earlier on the ceiling.
Yes. Unfortunately, due to the fact that anyone can come and write any message on the machine, there's no way to control what messages, so they contacted the artist and asked if it was possible to do something about that, but he believes in free speech. So
he said, if you're gonna censor, so better shut it off. So they couldn't turn it on because of being afraid something happens, somebody write a nasty stuff, somebody take a picture and
Or a
cause
tweet,
damage
yeah.
to the TTC. So they're gonna figure out a way to make that work safely, without
Yes.
nasty words. We got our kids here.
yeah. So we're at the last station, which is the Vaughan Metropolitan Center,
Yes.
and it's really cold.
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 It's his first time in Vaughan, so he's
Yeah.
newbie.
I know, I've been here before.
Vaughan is the city the most growing in Canada, in Toronto, especially in Ontario, especially.
They call it the city above Toronto.
Yes, there are malls. They have a museum park. There's so many things going
Yeah,
on here.
Canada's Wonderland is.
Yes, they have
Yeah, I was
IKEA.
just going to say that.
Might be a nice trip for the summer sometime.
Yes, now they have the subway, so
Yeah.
there's an IKEA store next. I see IKEA from here. Ooh, can go
Oh
by
my God.
foot. It's a new destination for us. So here's just the new terminal, the station, and everything.
I think
Yes.
he's going inside. 'Cause
Yeah, he's feeling
Yeah,
cold,
it's
so
cold, so
you're going back inside. But
it does feel about 10, 15 degrees colder here.
Yeah.
which station like the most?
I liked the York University station, and I liked the one we were just at.
The
a moment ago.
Pioneer?
Pioneer.
Yeah.
I like
And
the Pioneer,
This
and
one's nice too.
this one's nice too. Yeah.
So you go back inside. It's very cold.
Yes.
So don't forget to follow us, subscribe, do everything.
Yeah.
Yes.
And see you
And
next time.
Feel free to, if you experienced the new subway lines today, comment.
Yes. Are you into subways? See you next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.